Hello guys, what is up? Scammer Revolts here, bringing you guys another video, and today we got another pop-up scam. And to the person that left the comment about the number, I will try to do that next video. I'm just doing this because this is actually a different pop-up from what I believe, because I haven't seen this one on this specific website that I used to get to this. It does look similar to the other ones, but they usually just use the same Google image, so that's why it might look similar, but I believe this one is different. So we're gonna give them a call. I got their number right here, and let's call them up, see if they fix my computer.
This call may be monitored or recorded.
Thank you for calling technical support. You're speaking with Ben. How may I help you today?
Hey, Ben, right? Hello.
Uh-huh.
Hey Ben. Yeah, I got this pop-up on my computer. Telling me
And
to
what
call you
exactly
guys.
does it read?
It says Time Warner
Can you go
Cable.
ahead and read?
Yeah, it says Time Warner Cable customer.
Okay.
Your system has detected possible suspicious activity. Please call the toll-free number below for a certified technician to help resolve your issue. Then it has your number, and it says for your safety, please do not open internet browser to avoid data corruption to the registry of your operating system. And then it's got your number again. It's got all this stuff, and then behind it, it says like BSOD, Windows Defender, 0x00000CE, elation, malware attack. It's got all this stuff.
Okay. Thank you very much for reading me the message. Okay. Now, may I know what exactly were you doing on the computer when you get this error message? Like you're
Uh,
trying to download something, watching movies, or visiting website?
I was just going around on Google and going to Twitter and stuff, and then this popped up.
Okay. On which browser were you at the time? Is that Internet Explorer,
Google
Mozilla
Chrome.
Firefox, or Google Chrome? Google Chrome.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, while you're on Google Chrome, did you click on any kind of malicious link or any suspicious link that popped up on the screen? Or did you try to close them? Or did you try to X them out? Do you remember?
I'm not sure.
You don't remember.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. For how long have you been facing this problem?
It just came up maybe 10 minutes ago.
Okay. And do you have any security for your computer, like any antivirus?
I got Malwarebytes.
Malwarebytes. And apart from that, like Norton, AVZ,
No.
McAfee? No. Okay. And is your browser protected? Do you have any security for your browser?
Um, not that
Like
I,
a network?
not that I know of.
Not that, okay. Who else uses this computer apart from you, like your friends or families?
My friends go on it sometime when they're here. Sometimes.
Okay. Sometimes. Okay. And I believe they haven't made any changes on the computer, right?
No, I don't think so. I don't like really watch them when they're
Okay.
when they're on it.
Right. I understand that. And did you download or install any new applications or software on this computer lately?
Um, no.
No. You haven't made any changes on this computer, right?
No, I mean, I downloaded some stuff, but that's really much it.
How old is your computer?
I think it's about 8 years old.
About 8 years old. On which operating system are you using this computer? Is it Windows 7,
Uh,
Windows 8, 8.1, or Windows 10?
it's 7.
Windows 7. Okay. All right. So, sir, yes, I'll definitely be able to help you with that. What I can do is like connect you under the secure server so that I can go ahead and find out what exactly is the root cause that you have right now, and provide you with the diagnostic step how we can fix that. Right
Alright.
now, is it a laptop or a desktop that you have right now?
It's a desktop.
A desktop. Okay. Can you look down on your keyboard on the extreme left-hand side corner bottom? You will see the control key, the CTRL key. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Next to the control key, do you see the Windows key that look like a flag? It has a four square on it.
Yeah.
That's the Windows key. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want you to press and hold the Windows key, okay?
Alright.
At the same time, while you're pressing and holding the Windows key, hit the letter R, R for Roger, and release
Okay.
your hand.
Alright, to bring up a text box.
I'm sorry?
Bring up a little box. Hello?
What can you see on the screen now?
Yeah, bring a
Yeah.
box.
Run box. Okay, great. Now it says type the name of a program folder, documents, inner resources, and Windows will open it for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to type in there I explore, I as in Indiana, E as
Alright.
in I as in Indiana, E as in Echo. Now there is no space, no gap between the I explore. Okay, it's basically one word.
There.
I as in Indiana, E as in Echo, X as in X-ray, P as in Peter, L as in Larry, O as in Oscar, R as in Robert, E as in Echo.
Alright.
Give a space, a blank space,
Yeah.
and after the blank space, it's www dot
Alright.
01, the number 0 and the number 1,
Alright.
C for Charlie,
Uh,
P for Peter, and U for uniform, .com.
Alright.
Okay, now click on OK.
Alright.
Now let me know what exactly you can see on the screen, okay? And new windows will be loading up with
Yeah,
support
it says
connection,
support buddy.
support body run. Okay. Now do you see anything like step 1, step 2, and step 3?
Yeah, it needs a code.
Okay. So I'm gonna provide you with a code here.
Alright.
Bear with me for a moment, okay? I'm gonna generate the code, and in order to generate the code, may I have your first name so that I can register you under your name?
Tommy.
Your first name with the correct spelling.
Tommy.
Tommy, okay. Thank you. Just bear with me for a moment here. I'm trying to get the code for you, okay? All right, here we go. It's 903
903
183.
183.
Uh-huh. Now on step 2, you just need to check mark the box, click on the box, and a check mark will appear on it. The IO Try Support Buddy box.
Huh?
And on step 3, you just need to click on Connect.
Alright.
All right, great. Now, when you click on Connect, what do you see, like run, save, or cancel? Do you see something like that? Do you have an option?
It says it's setting up right now.
Okay.
Yeah, here's the pop-up.
All right. Okay. So, well, before we get connected, I just want to make you sure that if you have opened up any personal files or folder on this computer, please go ahead and close them before I start working on the computer, okay?
Alright.
And moreover, you will be the primary user of this computer. I will be the secondary user of the computer,
Okay.
okay? Okay, so have you closed, if you have opened up any personal files or folders, have you closed them?
Yep.
Okay, so just give me a moment here. Give me a couple of seconds here. Okay, now, Tommy, can you see this, the cursor moving on the screen?
Yeah.
That's me now. We are connected, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can I close this, my computer?
Yeah.
What's that? I mean, Tommy, yes, I'll close this, okay?
Alright.
All right, so this is the warning here. You have times time plus one plus cable cucumber you system has been detected. All right, okay. So this is a warning from the web browser. It says that there is some suspicious activities going on the computer. So let's go ahead and see what exactly is that. And on the background, it says BSOD. Let me go ahead and see what this exactly means here. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, and do you know what this BSOD means?
Blue screen of death.
All right, blue screen of death. So, like your computer has reached a condition where it can no longer operate safely. That's the reason, like you're getting this kind of errors on the screen.
Okay.
You told me this computer is about 8 years old, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And what else you do on this computer? Like,
Um,
what is the purpose of your computer? Like,
I usually use it for
how often do you
testing
go
stuff and
online?
huh?
Usually, what? How often do you go online?
Like once a day.
Once a day. Okay, and tell me, do you feel that your computer is running slow lately?
Yeah.
And when was the last time a technician worked on your computer?
I had my friend try and fix it a couple of days ago to make it go faster.
Is he a local technician?
No, I haven't. Oh, is he?
Yes.
No, he just knows a lot about him.
Okay. Like, what kind of errors you got a couple of days ago? What was the error that you got?
No, it just kept like freezing and crashing and stuff.
Okay. All right, but not this kind of warning, right? The system error warning here
No,
that your computer has been blocked with viruses.
yeah, not that.
Okay, so tell me what I'm gonna do here. First of all, let me go ahead and take out the security of your computer, as I can see here. Just give me a moment here. Okay. Let me go ahead and see the security part of your computer, okay?
Alright.
Yes. Okay, so this is a control panel here,
Alright.
where we will be having the security of your computer, your Windows firewall here. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay. I can see here that your Windows firewall, your PC is not protected than on Windows firewall. Windows firewall help you protect your computer by preventing unauthorized user from getting access to your computer through the internet or a network.
Okay.
So basically, like Windows firewall is not running right now, and this could be one of the reason because it helps it helps unauthorized user from getting access to your computer through the internet or a network.
Alright.
Okay. Let me see like the security center here. Okay. So I can see here that your firewall is not monitored right now, and there is some automatic update as well.
Okay.
And if we talk about the virus protection, it's not really you've told us you're using an antivirus so that you will be monitoring yourself to help protect your computer against viruses and other services. Make sure that your antivirus is turned on and this is up to date. But right now I can see here that your antivirus is not monitored right now. It's not working on your computer.
Okay.
Okay, let me just go ahead and see the basic information about this computer, okay?
Alright. You there?
Okay, tell me, are you actually running this computer on a VirtualBox software?
Huh?
Are you actually running this computer on a VirtualBox software right now?
What's a VirtualBox software?
You don't know what a virtual software,
I know
you
what
mean by
virtual
VirtualBox
reality
software?
is.
are you running this on a virtual right now? Are you running this computer on a virtual box software?
Like virtual reality? What do you mean? Huh?
Yes.
What do you What do you mean?
Just give me a moment here, okay? Just a moment.
Okay.
Bear with me for a moment. Okay, thank you.
Alright. Hello? Hello?
Okay, thank you so much for being on hold. I really consider fine patience here.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Right. Okay, and you told me that this computer is about 7 to 8 years old, right?
Yeah.
Right. So this is your driver information here, okay?
Okay.
The drivers on this computer. Now, if you look at the status here, most of the drivers on this computer has been stopped.
Alright.
All these drivers here, right here.
Alright.
And when the drivers on the computer stop, what happened is like, moment, here, the services on this computer, like, let me just open up. So this is your system configuration utility here, right?
Okay.
So there is something called services on this computer here.
Alright.
And if you look at the services here, these are all the services. And if you look at the manufacturer here, it's all given to you. Most of the services has been given to you by the Microsoft people here. Now, as the drivers stop on your computer, even the services on the computer, they go ahead and stop. So if you just scroll it, like rearrange them and see, if you scroll it down, can you see that?
Yeah.
Almost 50% of the services has been stopped on this computer.
Okay.
So it's not good to stop on a computer. This kind of services, which has been given to you by the Microsoft people, almost most of the Microsoft, like there are some unknown applications as well, unknown services on this computer, which is stopped.
Yeah.
You know that this unknown application, right? And there are some unknown application running on the computer.
Okay.
It's running here. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So there are some unknown application running on the computer, so we need to go ahead and make them stop. Actually, the Microsoft service is supposed to run, but they are stopped, and there are some unknown application running on the computer. So we need to get it fixed right away. And if you talk about the network access protection here, can you see this network access protection event?
Yeah.
This has been originally given to you by the Microsoft people, but this services is not working right now, and you're not at all safe and secure to go online. This kind of problem will come up again on the computer if you don't get it fixed, and like it can even compromise your personal details. Like what else you do on this computer? Do you do like email, Facebook, shopping, or like banking, paying the bill
Yeah.
online, stuff like that
It's
on this
just
computer?
it's just used for general use.
Well, Tommy, I would advise you not to do any of this stuff until unless you get your computer fixed because I can see here that your network is not protected right now. And like your system driver says here, let me just go and show you that. That's the kernel driver and okay here, the control panel here. So they can go ahead and like they are not on right now. Your PC is not protected. Turn on Windows firewall, right? So
Yeah.
they can go ahead and like access to your computer. That will be like unauthorized access to your computer
Okay.
through the internet or a network, and your network is not safe right now. And if you talk about the Windows security here, your virus protection is not monitored right now. They are not working on the computer, and even your firewall is not turning on right now.
Okay.
So these are some few things that we need to go ahead and take care on the computer, like in terms of uh, infection on the computer. Let me just go ahead and see like what are the errors and warnings that you have on this computer, okay? Okay, can you see this? There are some errors on this computer here.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and see the Windows security servers admin directory information support. Okay, so there are like 87 events on this computer right now. They are giving you some information and some errors on the computer. So we need to go ahead and like get it fixed, right? The errors and the information, whatever information your computer is giving.
Alright.
And you talk about okay, all right. Let me see, like, if any. Do you remember any of this? I mean, like, do you recognize any of these files and folders here?
No.
You don't,
No.
because I can see that these are the files on the computer, like, which is not necessary. Like, there are some, here Explorer here, the Firefox. Whenever we go online, let's go ahead and open up this. What exactly does it say?
Okay.
Can you read this here? Does it make sense to you?
No.
Well, so tell me, this is how they got and capturing information. Like when you're on Firefox, when you're doing the stuff on the internet, Then they capture the information like this. They corrupt the file, they infect the files, and this is how they go ahead and gain access to your computer. They take this kind of things, which is not making any sense to us, but out there they will be using the advanced tool to convert this to something meaningful, to something like whatever you type on the keyboard, the keystroke that you make on the keyboard, they have recorded like that. This is all alphanumeric. So like attackers or people who want to go ahead and capture the information on your computer, they can go ahead and do that easily with the help of this kind of junk files on the computer. So we need to
Alright.
remove this kind of security threat right away so that there will be no further infection or no further corruption done on the computer, okay? Are you there?
Yeah.
So these many files you see right now on the computer. Try to open up any files from your end here, any random file. Double click on any of the files.
Okay. Uh-oh.
So this kind of many of like batch files on the computer, they actually cause the computer to slow down as well.
Okay.
And as we can see here that your computer has reached a condition where it can no longer operate safely by their own. You have got the blue date of screen as well, the blue screen of date.
Okay.
You see that?
Okay.
This is whatever you have done on this computer. Like you're getting a report of whatever you have done on the computer.
Okay.
Unlocker. What is this unlocker? Let's go and see. So these things are like considered as a security threat, and we need to go ahead and remove this kind of um, files and folders on the computer. They are not good for nothing. It doesn't make any sense. It's like they're simply occupying the space on the computer.
Okay.
Okay, now, so Tommy, let me quickly run a scan on your computer that will help us know exactly what needs to be done on the computer. After that, I'll be preparing your diagnostic report, and I can see that you have some network issue on your computer. So I'll be preparing your diagnostic report according to that, okay?
Alright.
Okay. And it will show us all the information that will be scanned on the computer, like your email, your password, everything, okay?
Okay.
Yes, so it's scanning right now. Might take some time, so just bear with me for a moment here, okay? Okay, can you see that, Tommy?
Yeah.
Are you there, Tommy?
Yeah, I'm here.
How often do you you use your email? How often do you use your email?
Maybe once a week.
Do you receive a lot of mail from unknown people, like junk mail or spam mail?
Yeah.
Do you subscribe to any kind of blog or any kind of marketing or
Yeah.
any telemarketing stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, Tommy, so this is the infection I can see here. It's a huge number. It's 3,200 on your email alone. So it's a huge number. It's not good to have this kind of number on a computer. We need to go ahead and remove the email immediately, or else like whatever like things you do on the email can be like infected and it can be compromised. And if you talk about the password security here, it's highly unprotected. And this includes all your email password, your Facebook, if you do any kind of online shopping, banking, whenever you enter your card number or card security, that these things are highly unprotected right now. We need to go ahead and protect this stuff. And if you
Okay.
talk about the internet protection here, you have 494 holes detected. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So it's a huge number now again. From any of these holes, viruses and infection can get into your computer. And the junk files here, can you see this here? 31,685 files are unprotected right now.
Yeah.
So what do you understand by these junk files now?
It's a lot of them.
I'm sorry?
But there's a lot.
What do you understand by the junk files? The junk files.
I don't know.
Well, junk files are the files on the computer, like which you don't recognize or which has been downloaded from the background of the computer while you're on the internet without proper protection, or whatever activities that you have done on the computer, your computer is keeping a record of whatever you have done on the computer, right? This kind of files on the computer is occupying the space on the computer, which causes the computer to slow down. Once this has been removed, once this has been cleaned up and tuned up, your computer will be back to normal. It will be much, much faster. And all your like internet protection, your password security that will be set up on your computer, and the registry error here, we have 902 error found. And about the privacy, if you talk about the privacy here, you have 431 privacy issue found. And the performance of the computer is slow. Can you see that here?
Yeah.
And the disk error, 232 disk error. So the number which is displaying right here, it's a huge number now. When was the last time a certified technician worked on this computer? Do you remember?
My friend did stuff like 2 days ago.
I'm sorry?
Never.
It's been like what?
Never.
Edit?
Never.
Never. Did you say never?
Huh? Said
But your,
never.
but do you know that your computer needs regular cleanup and tune-up
No.
for better performance? And
Okay.
if you talk about the malwares here, can you see that? We have 386 threats detected. Do you understand? Do you know what malwares are?
No.
Okay. Let me show you what exactly these malwares are. You can go ahead and read till here. You'll understand what exactly these malwares are, okay?
Okay.
Let me know once you're done.
Right.
So you understand what malwares are now, right?
Yeah.
So this kind of malwares and viruses, an infection is not good to have on a computer. We need to go ahead and remove all this because it gains to access to your private computer system. So anything can happen to your computer at any point of time. So to avoid that, okay,
Okay. What is that?
to avoid that, we need to go ahead and protect your computer. We need to go ahead and protect your network because all these bad things are happening from the network right now. Whatever problem that is coming from the computer right now.
Okay. Where are these boxes coming up? These. What are those boxes? Hello.
Okay.
What's that? Why does it say that? What's this?
Are are you are you typing on your PC?
No. Supposed to? Am
I mean, like, I'm sorry.
I supposed to be typing? Why is that you talking?
I mean, like,
Huh?
whom are you talking with?
I'm not.
Are you chatting with someone?
No, I'm not. Hello?
Okay, just give me a moment here, okay?
Okay. Hello? Is anyone there?
Right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, what is this?
That's what I'm asking you. What is this? Like, are
I
you
don't
typing on your computer or what?
know. You'd be able to see if I was typing.
Okay, just give me a moment here, okay?
Okay. Hello?
Okay, sir. So what I'm gonna do now here, Tommy. Yes, can you hear me?
What is this?
Which one?
This chat box and what was all of that?
Can you speak a little bit
I said what was
clearer?
all of
I won't able
that?
to hear you.
What was all that chat box stuff?
That's what I'm asking you. But you don't have to worry, okay? Good dear?
Okay. Did you just type that? Hello?
Yes, I'm here. Just give me a moment here.
What is this? Hello?
Okay. Can you see this here?
Yeah, I can see it.
So, I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'll be preparing the diagnostic report for you here so that my technician can start working on the computer and they can start fixing up all the problem that you have on the computer, okay?
Alright.
So tell me, first of all, what my technician they're gonna do, like they will first of all go ahead and do the reconfiguration of your firewall, Windows Defender.
What are you doing? Hello?
So,
Is anybody
I
there?
mean, like, what are you trying to do here? What are you trying to do here? Tell
You
me.
keep asking me about what I'm doing, but I'm not doing it. That's not
And who is
me.
doing that? I mean, like,
I
you
would
have
tell
them
you
on
if I
now.
knew who was doing it.
No, I mean, like, let me first of all complete my work, then you can do the stuff later on.
I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it, you sure?
Yes. Why would I say I wasn't doing it if I
Okay.
was?
Okay, just bear with me for a moment here, okay? Just bear with me. Let me get help from my senior technician and see what exactly is happening on the computer. All right?
Alright.
Bear with me for a moment here.
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, thank you for holding the line.
Yeah.
Nishant, I'm the floor supervisor.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Tell me how can I help you?
I don't know. He just said that he was going to get you.
Okay, what I can see in your computer right now is that there are some problems in your computer. He have already detected some issues. So we have to basically fix the configuration files and all. So I do believe he must have informed you what exactly will be the charges and how much it will take.
Okay.
I do believe he gave you the information, how much time we will take to fix these issues and what exactly would be the charges. Hello, are you there?
Yeah. See what the hell is this?
Hello?
Hello?
I didn't get you. Please repeat.
I said what is this crap? It keeps popping up.
So we need to check. We have to completely reconfigure your computer and reconfigure your firewalls.
Wait, your guys'
Okay,
company
for doing that,
is Support Buddy, right?
exactly.
Okay. So what do I gotta do here?
So what?
I don't get what this is, you know.
So what we can do here, just let me tell you that we have to activate a support on a computer through which we can activate support, and then I can give you a high-level technician to fix these issues.
Okay.
And 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 there are two options. One option is for one-time fix for today and 30 days of warranty. That's going to cost you $179.99. And for
Okay.
1 year, it's $299.99.
Okay.
So you tell me which one you like to go with.
What?
So tell me which one you like to go with.
Huh?
I'm saying which one you like to go with. The one-time fix, 179.99, or 1 year support. That's 299.99, unlimited.
$200?
Yes.
You buy a laptop with that money. You know?
So tell me, sir.
It's a lot of money.
So tell me which one you like to go with, sir. So you want to fix this computer, yes or no?
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, I was asking you, sir.
Do
You
you
want to
know?
fix your computer, yes or no?
Do you know the
Yeah,
person?
I'm still here.
Do you know the person named Scammer Revolts?
I'm sorry, what?
You know a person by the name called Scammer Revolts?
So I just asked you a simple question. You want me to fix your computer, yes or
And
no?
I just asked you a simple
If all,
question. Do you know the
if you
person
said
by the name Scammer Revolts?
I have no clue about it.
Clue. Why are you guys still here? Huh?
Okay, sir, I do believe you don't want to fix your computer. Am
No,
I correct
you're a
with that?
freaking retarded scammer, you dumb piece of crap. I just sat here. You make me feel like I'm so freaking tired because how damn boring you guys are. I can hear you freaking talking to other people in the background like a couple of pieces of crap. You know how freaking annoying you
Okay.
are? You're like the worst people to talk to in the freaking world. I'm not trying to be racist, but you're the worst people to talk to ever. Your freaking voice is so damn boring and all the crap that you guys talk about. It's freaking so damn boring. And just the fact that everything's a lie,
Hello.
there's nothing even interesting in this crap right now. Do whatever you freaking want. It's a freaking virtual machine. Your other dumb scammer noticed that but didn't even do crap about it. Yeah, hung up like a dumb piece of crap. Oh man, these guys. Oh man. See what he does. He didn't take that file I sat. Man, these freaking scammers are the most retarded people in the world. Come on, disconnect, you wimp. This dumb piece of crap disconnected. Malware wiki, fake scan site. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Give these guys a call, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.